Hi everyone! In this video, we'll see how to install AppCreator in your Windows or Linux machine. For demonstration, we'll be showing it on Windows. This is the Manage Engine AppCreator website from where we need to download the file. Click Download and fill in the details. Then proceed to download. On the window that opens, click on the file based on your operating system. It has an exe file which needs to be downloaded. Let's click on the Windows version. Once the exe file is downloaded, double-click the file and the Install Shield wizard for Manage Engine AppCreator opens. Click Next. Then go through the license agreement and click Yes. Next, the High Availability configuration pops up. During adverse conditions that cause a host server failure, this configuration helps in with the backup server. For this, you have a primary and standby server. By default, the primary server will be chosen. Later, you can set a standby server. Click Next. Now, the folder where the AppCreator is going to be installed is shown. You can change this if needed by clicking Browse. Once done, click Next. You will be asked to define exception for the Manage Engine AppCreator directory in the antivirus scanners. Click OK. Then set the web server port. By default, it will be 8443. Click Next. Fill in your details and click Next. Review the settings once before the files are copied. Once reviewed, click Next. Wait for a few seconds and the final window pops up. Click Finish and you have successfully set up AppCreator in your system. You will be automatically redirected to the launch browser. If the browser shows that the connection is not private, click Advance and proceed. Sign up with the default admin credentials mentioned at the bottom. Now create a new password for your account. Now sign in once again. The mandatory mail server settings open. It is required to send any email from your AppCreator account. Here, we need to configure the primary mail. Type your server name or IP address and port number respectively. Provide a time and enter an email address for the testing. You can enter the same email ID if needed. Enter the authentication details. You can enter the username and password of your system. Click on the Send Test Mail to check if the mail works properly. You will receive a test mail in the email ID provided. Choose the required secure connection protocol. Here, we are choosing none. If you choose SSL or TLS, upload the respective valid certificate. Later, you can add secondary mail configuration or remove the one we are creating now. You are taken to the application homepage. Go ahead and create applications as many as you wish. Hope this video easily took you through the installation process. In the upcoming video, you will begin with the fundamental step of building an application by creating forms. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next video.